I am Asiya Batool, astrologer, presenting you the traits of Cancer that are never discussed before, so let's dig in. When I think of Cancer, I immediately think of the great caretaking qualities of a loving and protective parent figure. You are basically by nature conservative and home-loving, appreciating the nest-like quality of a safe and comfortable home to which you can escape and retire from the stresses of the outer world. The key phrase that best describes the crab is, I feel. That is because your sign is intensely emotional, nurturing, feeling-based and sensitive to the needs of others. I've always said that a Cancer will tell you that as long as it feels right, it doesn't matter what logical convention dictates, they are going with their gut feeling. They usually are right to listen to this inner voice because many Cancers are often psychic. The symbol associated with your sign is the crab. The crab is a water dweller that is often equipped with massive claws to defend itself and survives very well in the wilds of the underwater world in which it thrives. The crab carries its home on its back wherever it goes. The crab also responds to the effects of the moon through the ever-changing tides, so Cancers can be moody and sensitive to their environment. They will withdraw into their shells when they are hurt, angry, or upset. Be careful, don't knock on the shell to try to get a crab to come out because it will only dig deeper into its protective covering. Instead, you leave the crab alone and it will soon emerge into its own good time. Outwardly, you can certainly to appear like the shell of a crab, thick-skinned, uncompromising, obstinate and moody, but to family and friends, they see a very different character, one with a sympathetic and kindly nature, sensitive to the needs of others, especially those they love. Cancer is a water sign and by nature merges with others, but then you lose part of your individuality in the process, and so it's important for Cancers to learn detachment. You feel and absorb everything around yourself. The reason for being psychic and very protective of others but trying to carry on your back all these burdens that aren't even from you half the time, can be very exhausting, and hence the emotions go in and out like the tides, creating moodiness, and then the moodiness compels you to retreat into your shell until it feels safe again. You're determined. Devotion causes you to pour energy into situations that have long outlived their usefulness. Learn to move on sooner rather than later. Your sympathetic heart tends to give every situation the benefit of the doubt, thus allowing you to throw good money after bad. You are often overly imaginative, prone to fantasies, sometimes trying to shape your lives to fit some romantic ideal. However, you are often fascinated by the occult and are more open to psychic influence than the average sign, since the moon rules the domain of the darkness and the underworld of the occult, which also is part of the reason for your psychic abilities. Cancer governs the breasts, stomach and digestion, the womb and female reproductive organs. Cancers worry, and when they do, their stomach feels it first. Some Cancers overeat in an effort to find comfort from food. Other Cancers avoid food altogether when emotionally upset. The Great Mother image is very strong in Cancer women, and so basic and so everything physically under the domain of childhood such as the breast and the womb can be a problem area, when Cancer women are under great stress. You more than any other sign have a psychic umbilical cord still attached throughout life, whether due to the unwillingness of your mother to let go or vice versa, or even both, especially if child and parent both share important Cancer planets, and this can cause very difficult issues of guilt for a Cancer child because the child feels they should honor the mother for giving them life. Well, there is a powerful need to be a separate individual that can later create some minor emotional problems. And acting out. The first relationship in life is that with the mother, and Cancers may continue to go through life needing to reiterate the mother-child relationship because of the psychic umbilical cord being attached. In marriage, as an example, Cancers need to mother someone or be mothered. The childless Cancer may look to friends, work associates, or projects to mother. Cancer needs to feel needed, and when a child isn't around, substitutions will be found. Cancers have a very sensual nature, more so than many of the other signs. Of a sport or exercise program feels good in a physical sense, it is likely to stay a part of their routine. You may love water sports since Cancer is a water sign, and you will find being near water akin to going to the womb. Don't disregard the power of water for you. It works magic on your nerves. Swim, run on the beach, sail, winds, or anything water related. So if you like these type of videos and want to watch more, then please like and subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel.